Hi Steve, you've brought in your taxi.
Yeah.
It's been driving you mad with DPF problems. Sluggish,
terrible uphills, no power.
How long's that been going on
no
for?
revs. Now it's gone on for about 6 months on and off. I've had it at the garages, supposedly being regened, and then a week later, same problem.
And you got
Back
to hear
to
from us
square
from,
one.
was it George with the other?
Got your name off George.
Okay.
And thought I'd pop through, give you a go, see what it's like.
Right, so Dan's done the Hydroflow. He's cleaned your injectors, he's run about 2,000 litres of hydrogen through the engine while it's running. He's been for a regen, reset the counters. You've taken it a drive, what do you think?
Like a new car.
Really?
Absolutely fantastic. I've come out there onto the A690, up bank, in third gear, picked up speed all the way up to the top,
Really?
which I haven't been doing for months.
It's a different car.
Absolutely different car. It's absolutely bang on, and we're getting well over 3,000 revs. I couldn't get 3,000 revs yesterday.
Well, spread the word.
So,
Thank you very, very much.
no
I'm glad
problem,
we've sorted
really
that.
appreciate it.
You're welcome. Thanks.
Thank you.